friend, my name is Rupesh, and in this VBA entire tutorial I am going to show you or represent you entire summary of my final output. Okay, so this is the vehicle number. Now first of all, I have created the hotel management system, and this is your summary how we can create the hotel management system. First of all, you need to clarify all these data types and what will be your action like this. So this is all the documentation which I have prepared, and now this is all your drop down list box. Okay, so you can see this is all your drop down list box, right? So this is your database data point, and this is your actual data where your actual data is saving when you submit your forms. And this is your data validation or transformation, it is filtering the unique data. And this is your invoice. Okay, now I am going to show you how it works. So first of all, click on form. Okay, now this is your hotel management booking system, and you can hide your workbook like this. Now if you want to upload your photos, just click on the upload on your photos like this. This is your bill number, or you can say your invoice number. This is the date. You can drag up or drag down by using this pin button. These all are the list we have which we have saved in our Excel file, that data point sheet you can see. But if you want to add something new data point, then you don't need to go again, just type anything like RTY something. Okay, now you can see when you click on here RTY, it's selected. Okay, now you can enter your vehicle number 456, driver name TYS, and now we have also given the validation. Suppose if you want to submit here, then it will show you the pop-up number like this. Okay, now if I want to enter, and the limitation of phone number is up to 10 digit, you cannot enter the string here, you can see this, right? And you can select your destination type, your price summary, service status, and if you want to give the remark, then okay, otherwise you can leave it blank. So now I am going to submit it, and this is your created date and your actual timestamp where you have created new entries. Okay, so now I am going to submitted, it's successfully submitted. Now it will automatically reset all the data set, you can see. Now I want again that data, I want to change some modification in that data. So how will I do that? Click on here, select your data type is like ties or something, whatever, let's say ties. Select your driver name. Wait, actually for modification it will take some time because it is validating entire informations. RTY, selected date, timestamp here, and if you click on the submit, you can see entire data is again come here. Okay, now you can change here modification status to cancel, and click here update. Now it's successfully updated. Now if you want to print off that invoice, then click on print PDF invoice. Wait, it will take some time. Now you can see your selected data is come here. Types. So it is a dependent Dropbox like this. If you select this, then it will come. Without selection first, it will not show you anything. Okay, now click on RTY, you can see here your timestamp is here. Now you will have to select here timestamp, save in PDF, so it will save in your PDF format. Click here download in any of the here, like I am saving here. Okay, now you can see it's saved and it is showing your data here, price, RTY details, all these things, and it also showing the folder path here. Now I want to view particular data set in my sheet. Wait, it will show you again some data. Select your driver name, tires, and export data here. Now you can see your Excel file is generated. Just click on unhide and you can see there is new Excel file is here, book 2. Okay, so first of all I will have to close this, so you will able to see that here. You can see your all is data saved. So that's all. Thanks for watching.